In this video, I'm going to show you how to save any Word document as either a .doc file or .docx. First, open your document in Microsoft Word. Once the file is open, go to the top and you will see the file extension like .docx. This is an ATS-friendly resume, so it needs to be in .doc format, as ATS can't read .docx or other extensions. To convert it into a .doc, click on File. Now select Save As. Next, click Browse. A new window will open, and choose the folder where you want to save the file. Now look for the Save As Type drop-down menu. Click on it and you'll see a list of formats. Choose either Word 97 to 2003 document for .doc or New Word document for .docx. Now type the name you want to give your file. After that, click Save. Your document will now be saved as a .doc file. If you open it, you will see it's a .doc file. If this video helped, like, comment, and subscribe for more quick and helpful tutorials.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.